So the right option is D. And after that, the matching area, the major contribution. So the Antony von Leeuwenhoek is a right answer is B. And now we can, so A is S, yes, Antony von Leeuwenhoek for microscopy, and Carolus Linnaeus for taxonomy. Sir Alexander Fleming, yes, this discovered the penicillin, and the Louis Pasteur for the vaccination. And the fourth, this is also the antimicrobial agent, the group first to the group second. So the right answer for this question is mm, C. Why C? These are the direct questions, so we can. It's fluoroquine connect to the inhibition of the nucleic acid synthesis, and tetramycin is Q, inhibition of the protein synthesis, and the amoxicillin is for P, and the amphotericin B is antifungal agent. So the right answer is C. Next question is Bordetella pertussis and dengue fever and the entamoeba histolytica. So we have found the mode of the predominant modes of the transition. So Bordetella pertussis, and I think it's a contaminated food, yes. And mm, A is the right answer. A first is R, yes, contaminated food. Second is P, bloodborne disease, the dengue virus, and third is S, uh, Entomoeba histolytica. Third is S. First is Q. Sorry. So A is the right answer. Fourth is Q, vector-borne disease, hepatitis V. Yes. I was confused, so you can easily match this question. And these are some tables you can learn from the mechanism of the mode of transition of the microorganisms. So you can, if you want to like this, you can note down this is also a table, and this is also some disease and their main reservoir. So the next question is, which of the following combination would improve the resolution of the microscope? Okay, so increase the half aperture of the angle objective, and decrease the wavelength of the illumination source. So that is the right answer. A is the right answer, because we know that the R is the resolution power of the microscope. So if there is a low resolution power, it means the highly clear image have been found in the microscope. So the right answer is 1 and 2nd. And the last question is, glucose convert into the 2 lactate form 2 ATP, and so conversion of the glucose to lactic acid in the cell, if the conversion of the free energy lactic acid is delta G is minus 1700 and efficiency is transferred, so what is the percent? So the delta G ATP hydrolysis for the 7.3 kilocalorie per molecule. So there is a formula of for efficiency. Is this the output of energy upon expected energy outcome? So our output energy is 2 ATP, and we know that when the ATP convert into the ATP, it it have the 7.3 kcal energy. So to ATP, and the expected outcome energy is the 14700. So the value for the 1 ATP 7.3, and for the 2 ATP is 2.7.3 upon 4700. So multiplication of this 2 into 7.3, we have get 14.6. Yes, 3 into 3 6, and this, and 47,000. Here this is the 14.6 into the kilocalorie form, so we have multiply into the 1000. This is cut by this, and the point, if we are remove this, so we have get 4.6 upon 47, and we have found the percent of this, so we multiply with the 100, and after when we are cancel this value, we get 13.02. so the right answer is the 13.02%. Thank you, hope you like this video, and please share this video, subscribe this channel, support us. Thank you.